Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Avoiding Homework. Today I'm going to be planting my regrown celery. So apparently you can regrow celery. I didn't know that either till I googled it. So you basically cut the stalk of your celery. I'm going to leave like 3-4 inches of it. And then you want to put it in about 2 inches of water, and then it just regrows. It grows these little green leaves on it. So this is one that I've been regrowing for a few weeks, and then this is one that I recently started regrowing. I think it's probably been less than a week. I need to put water in it. So you basically regrow it in a little tiny pot with some water indoors, and then you're supposed to replant it and you're supposed to get fresh celery stalks. So that's what I'm hoping for. Everything I've grown, I have killed. I don't have a green thumb. I want to have a green thumb because it looks fun and it's pretty great to be able to grow your own food in your backyard. So I'm going to try to do this. I don't know how to replant. I don't know if I need to be growing it inside or outside, so I'm gonna do some research first. This is not a tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing, but I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along and just hang out while I repot these celery stalks. Okay, what do we need to know? If you don't really like the celery taste, I find that putting lemon and mint in it makes it kind of taste like a mojito, so that's really delicious. If you don't want to drink like straight up celery juice or eat it in food. My boyfriend's calling. Hello? Hello? Hello, mate. I'm filming, replanting my celery. Yes. Because it's my distraction. It says celery doesn't grow well in hot conditions, and I'm in Miami, so I don't know. Yes? Yes?
How do you make that famous celery juice you were talking about?
You just put celery and water and then use the strainer.
Okay. Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can also regrow lettuce. Oh my god. There's like a bunch of vegetables you can regrow. I did not know this. Alright, oh my god. This plant is needy. It needs sunny, but it can get hot, and it needs a lot of water. Okay, due to a long grain. Alright, so I bought these pots, 13 inches. I guess it has to be pretty wide or you grow it directly into the ground. And then I got a giant soil bag. Alright, we got our soil. God, that shit's heavy. This one here is the one I'm actually replanting. Probably has a month of growing in water. And then I think I'm gonna give this one a chance to grow a little more before replanting it. Alright, this is the fun part. Let's get messy. I love the feeling of soil, like on my hands. If a lizard jumps on me, we're gonna have problems. I'm really afraid of lizards. And I think that fear stems from the Parent Trap. You guys remember that scene where the stepmom and the family, they're all camping and the lizard jumps on her water bottle, and when she screams, it crawls up her mouth. That scene traumatized me, and ever since that, I've just been really afraid of, really afraid of lizards. Hurting my knees. Okay, I feel like that's fine, and then maybe in a month I'll add in like some fresh soil and mix it all up, but this is so tiny either way. So soil's done, and then you kind of just want to make a little bowl for it to cover up the dead stalks on the outside, and then you want the fresh green stalks to be protruding out through the soil. Something like that. Here we go, buddy. Here's your new home. I hope you like it. I don't know what. I just sprinkled soil on top of it. Oh, he's so cute. He has a new, fresh home. So here we have it, our repotted celery plant. He's so pretty. I'm gonna give him lots of love, lots and lots of water. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something that you didn't know before. Apparently you can regrow celery, onions, lettuce. I don't know what those all have in common, but I'm gonna research it and maybe I'll be repotting some other things soon. Celery is amazing for you. It fights cancer spreading cells, it hydrates you, it has magnesium to relax your muscles, and what else? Oh, and it lowers high blood pressure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, leave me some feedback, let me know what type of yoga class you'd like to see next, and if you're enjoying these vlogs, I plan on mixing them in at least once a week and then having a yoga class once a week as well. Thank you so much for joining me and repotting my celery with me. I hope you learned something new. I hope you're curious about all the benefits of celery and how you can regrow them, save your money, and just have fun with Mother Nature. Subscribe to my channel. Check the description down below where you can check out my Patreon and support this channel further. Have a beautiful day or night wherever you're at.